Sometimes you have to wonder whose side some of our courts are on. For instance, a U.S. District Judge in Southern California, Florence Marie Cooper, recently decided that the Navy must follow environmental laws limiting sonar training because it is said to be harmful to whales and other sea creatures. Her decision runs contrary to an executive order in which President Bush signed a waiver January 15th that exempted the Navy and its anti-submarine warfare exercises from a preliminary injunction that created a 12-mile no-sonar zone off the coast of Southern California. Now, someone should inform all the environmental extremists and Judge Cooper, as well as other judges who have ruled similarly, that we have been in an international war on terrorism for at least 3 decades, and that it is necessary for the Navy and all other defense forces to be on the alert for potential attacks by terrorists. Furthermore, the extremists have never been able to prove that the Navy's sonar has been detrimental to whales or anything else that floats in the sea. And even if there were some effect of sonar use on whales or other mammals, the defense of America is far more important than the irritation that sonar might cause whales. Now, by great coincidence, Associated Press reported almost at the same time the judge was handing down her verdict that the whale population in all the world's oceans has increased markedly in the past few years. Obviously, the immense mammals are not bothered by sonar or by anything else, and they are reproducing and at an unprecedented pace. The Navy should take its case directly to the Supreme Court of the United States, where I'm confident the decision by Judge Cooper will be overturned and the President's executive order will be affirmed. At the same time, I believe Congress should enact legislation ensuring that the security of the nation and all measures taken by our defense forces to bolster that security will be made permanent, or at least until the international war on terrorism comes to a halt. Furthermore, I believe it's about time that Congress, the President, and all environmental organizations adopt a new, sensible environmental policy for the nation that places the welfare and security of the people above the health and welfare of animals and plants.